Good morning all. Sorry I couldn't be there with you this morning. I was asked to actually share a few words around our vision for the city of Los Angeles. And as many of you know, we've been working extremely hard to reduce the disconnectedness of our young people in Los Angeles. And you all play a critical role in making this happen. Over the last 5 years, we've seen thousands of young people be connected to school and be connected to work. Many of them, this was their last chance. We want you to understand that when we talk about Performance Partnership Pilot, P3 as it's called, it really is USource 3.0. In the last 5 years, we've matured as a system. We've started talking just about workforce and education. And in the last iteration of our work, we started talking about workforce, education, and the social and health needs of our young people. And when we're talking about 3.0, it's really solidifying our partners and expanding our partnerships. We're talking about not just putting kids back to work. We're not just talking about putting kids back to school, but actually digging deeper about the fundamental needs that they have in their mental health needs, their wellness. Do they have health insurance? Do they have housing? And then all the other social supports that go along with that. And we know that we can't do it alone. It has been a great partnership between our USource centers and LAUSD, the community colleges, but we do need the Department of Mental Health. We do need the Department of Social Services. We need DCFS. We need the Housing Authority. We need LAHSA. We need all of our community-based agencies to work together to support our young people. So what P3 is going to do is going to allow us now to look at the needs of our young people, and then we, as the providers, have to come together and make it easy for them to access services. It's our responsibility to provide them with the services. We also want to be able to provide them a greater menu of services, and for us to figure out how to do that. And then thirdly, what we want to see ultimately is greater outcomes. Last year, nearly 7,000 young people walked through our doors. We've had over 6,000 of them having educational assessments. We know that we've put over 4,000 in our workforce programs, WIOA, CDBG, and all of our other grants. But this coming year, we want to get to 8,000 young people walking through our doors. We want to see a greater number being assessed. We want to see a greater number being put back to school. We want to see a greater number of them going to post-secondary schools, be able to get greater number of certificates, a greater number of them working part-time and full-time. We also want to make sure those that need housing and need social services, need health insurance, need mental health services are also connected, and that we could all work together to have a young person be successful. You are a key part of this effort, and P3 is our shorthand to be able to say that we're all working together on the benefit of the young people we serve. Thank you, and I look forward to working with you throughout the year.